How to clean flooded bathroom. Best tips for your bathroom. How to clean guide. For this DIY I will show you how to clean a flooded bathroom. A flooded bathroom is a nightmare, indeed. The worst thing about a flooded bathroom is that it's difficult to point your finger at one particular reason for the same. Burst pipes, overflowing tubs, problems with sewage or drainage lines and more. The reason could be anything for a flooded bathroom. Important steps in cleaning a flooded bathroom. What do you need? Supplies to seal the leak, epoxy putty or fiberglass tap preferably. Towels. Heavy mop. Bucket. Fans. Dehumidifier optional. Disinfectant. Process. Identify and switch off the water supply. The first and foremost step in cleaning a flooded bathroom is to prevent further damage. Identify what's causing the water leakage and switch off the water supply to the same. If you cannot identify the source of the leak exactly, the best idea is to cut off the main water supply to prevent further issues. Switch off the electricity supply. Safety is the top priority when you notice a flooded bathroom. Switch off the electricity supply to the bathroom and the appliances inside it. Check if they are exposed to standing water before unplugging them to avoid short-circuit issues. Get all electrical appliances like lamps, hair dryers and geysers out of the bathroom as quickly as possible. Fixing the leak. This is where you have to exercise absolute caution. Sometimes, the issue may be simple, and you may be able to fix it with a seal of epoxy putty or fiberglass tape. Patch up the sealed pipe with some clamps. You can easily buy these clamp kits from any hardware store. However, more often than not, the problem may not be as simple as it seems to be. Sometimes, your plumbing line may have to be changed completely to control the flooding. In these cases, the best option is to contact a restoration company to get the issue corrected. Let a professional come and inspect the damage in your bathrooms to find out the exact cause of flooding, and fix it the right way. Get the bathroom cleaned thoroughly. If you have taken this as a DIY project, you have to be thorough with the process of cleaning the flooding in your bathrooms. Once you have mopped the excess water, you need to check all the cabinets and storage compartments inside the bathrooms to check if water has gone inside. If you notice that the items inside have become very wet, you need to dispose of them immediately. Keep the other items outside and allow them to dry completely. Get the bathroom to dry thoroughly. One of the most important steps in cleaning flooded bathrooms is to dry them thoroughly. Even slightly damp floors can lead to mildew, mold, moisture collection in walls and other problems. You can set up some fans in the bathroom to allow the bathrooms to dry quicker than the usual time. You can also use a dehumidifier, if the humidity caused by flooding is causing you many problems. Additional tips and advice. Though you may be successful in getting rid of the water from your bathrooms, you may not be able to identify if moisture has seeped into the walls, underneath the floors, subfloors, inside the drywalls and other remote places. So, it is highly recommended that you seek professional help when you notice flooding in bathrooms.